My name is Mike Clifton. I'm an instructor in the Machine Technology program at Lake Washington Institute of Technology. If I'm thinking about what a machinist is, there's a couple different pieces. First thing I think of is somebody that likes to create things, somebody that likes things to be concrete, black and white, definitely detail-oriented. One of the things we like to do in the program is we like to take students out to industry. We typically take 1 or 2 field trips every quarter, and we try to go to different shops, different manufacturing facilities, so that when a student goes to work and they go to their first shop, they've got an idea what kind of shop they've gone into, and they also have an idea of what they might like. I'm always surprised when I take students out on a field trip. Some of the students are like, oh, I love that shop, I'd really like to work there. And other students are like, nope, not for me.
My name is Joseph Alonzo. This is Mastercam at Lake Washington Institute of Technology. Mastercam is a software used by machinists to program and create the code that our CNCs use to produce the parts for our customers. It takes what we used to do by hand and does it in fractions of the time, and then for more complex parts. The benefit to what we do here is not only do I teach Mastercam, but I build on the students' knowledge of how to make a part. So they get a practical application to the use of the software. The benefits to students by taking Mastercam here at Lake Washington Tech is that they get a hands-on experience working with an industry professional like myself on how to make parts. A lot of our lectures and plans are all built around a collaborative effort where we come up with ideas and actually take something that someone would possibly use in industry, and then we put it into our machines and make it happen.
There's a lot of word on the street, there's a lot of talk about Lake Washington being one of the top schools. And so just from that, I know that there is a reputation and it's a good one.